Hi and welcome in this new video. For this video I'm taking out my box with micro brick battle micro tanks from the Japanese army, and in this video I'm going to do this one. This is the Brickmania version of the Type 59H Go tank. This one comes from the Battle of Kalkin Gol. I hope I say that pronounced that one correct. This little tank is pretty easy to make. As you can see, it doesn't work that complicated, but it has a very nice technique in it. I think the honors of the design credits go to Jitsi for this one. But yeah, I like it a lot, and someone requested me, could you please show me how to make that one? So I thought, let's make the next tutorial video from this little one. Yeah, pretty simple build, but interesting techniques, and I will show you in a couple of steps. In a couple of seconds I will show you the parts that is needed for this build, and yeah, then the steps to make it. It's a short video because it's a small tank, but I hope you guys like it, and leave a like, perhaps leave a comment. I always like to see the comments, and yeah, maybe you can even tell me if there's anything Japanese here you would like to see in the next video, and perhaps I'm allowed to do it. I don't know, just ask me in the comments for what you would like to see, and perhaps it's possible in a future video. For now, I hope you're going to enjoy this video. I hope you can build it, and if you build it, share it with me on Instagram. The link to my Instagram account is in the description, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.